just to say I'm going, it's difficult for me. So, I'll just quickly read it as I prepare it. Don't worry, it's because of my other engagement that I'm getting into that is teaching me to do this. This is my farewell speech to the organization. It all began one clear night of April 2008 in Senga area of Guero, where I sat outside the house, pen and diary in hand. I was noting down my future. One thing came out clear from my notes. I needed to get attached to an organization that works with children, so as to gain experience in dealing with children. Amazing enough, one sunny morning, September 2008, I walked through the gates of Child Protection Society as an accounts intern. One big step into my planned future has been taken. Ever since that memorable September morning, I have been at CPS for all my 8 working years, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful to Mr. Langton Mapenza Oswa, who through his ever kindness took me through the elementary work at CPS. I'm grateful to the 2 wonderful senior goalkeepers that CPS has ever had, Ms. Kundai Zinochkiwe and Mr. George Mapisonga, not only for the priceless knowledge that they imparted to me, but for their breakfast and lunch plates that they shared with me almost daily. I was actually gaining weight with my attachment. I'm equally grateful to Mr. Innocent Njajati, who mostly I remember for saying, when you bring me an issue, tell me your solution first. He was imparting leadership skills. I'm grateful to Mr. Hoven, who introduced me to an accountant's best friend, the calculator. To me, he was a man of precision, which is very in the field of accounting. I'm grateful to Mr. Phineas Forger, who showed me how to have answers to all questions at your fingertips for anything you are responsible for. I'm grateful to Miss Patricia Mpofu, who used to sit me down and lecture me important aspects of life, as she would do to Ishe, her son. Little did she know that she was helping groom her future boss, whom she continued to respect as a supervisor and advise as a son. I'm grateful to Kudakwasha Mbweni, a close awake colleague, always having a best view over issues, a life as a bottlet and a young man of vast potential. I'm grateful to Ms. Sakanya, who showed me how to poke out those issues that many would leave unspoken of. A fellow manager who helped make it easy for me to fit in the helm of the organization. I'm grateful to the guy, an amazing young man, thirsty to have the world run on his fingertips. He was just there, very reliable and approachable. Watch this space for the guy. Time and space will fail me, otherwise I can't forget Sekuru Mseno, Sekuru Kata, Nkome Noel, opening the gates and doors for me odd hours. And all the CPS staff present and past, as well as the Chinyaraza staff, not forgetting the many interns that passed by CPS. I'm very grateful to the CPS board. Many may not know that I have been to the chairperson's house once to seek career guidance. The man is a good administrator. I owe a lot to Mr. Felix Masomera, Mr. Blessing Yamanza, Ms. Bannerman, for taking time to help me out in a number of managerial and operational areas as far as my department was concerned. I will not forget the various funding partners, staff, some of whom I have met personally to, many of whom helped me have a bigger picture of the work outside my office four walls. I have deliberately decided to mention her last because she is the integral part of my time at CPS. God knows how I'm very grateful to Ms. Tomaida Banda Kangere for the vast opportunities that she allowed me to have from the day I stepped into this organization. she has been the same wonderful director, very articulate, objective, leading and inspiring. Miss Director, ma'am, one of these days, when I become the president of this nation, I will appoint you effortlessly to observe the portfolio. You are a leader. God bless you. It was midday through 2016 that I knew my days at CPS were fast becoming numbered, and I ought to be prepared for perceived opportunities lying ahead. I knew it was never going to be the same again in my mind and in my heart as much as being around was concerned. Indicators, both internally and externally, confirmed it as much as I could tell. Thus, like I always do, I took the bold step into my political career, which indeed surprised and shook many. It may even perplex you all that the dream dates as far back as the early 2000s. I have a 2012 self-video recording of what I actually ventured into now 6 years later. It's just that I believe in vision and strategic plan. The previous month or two was the epitome of this dream, that though I did not land the post that I was vying for, the seeds were sown and the germination is sure to come. I have been loved at CPS. I have been given all the opportunities that I could ever need. Whether I used them well or not remain to be judged by those present, by those who presented them to me and those who had an eye over me. Like the apostle of the old, I now stand and say, I've run my race at CPS, I've fought the good fight of faith, I've kept the faith. I wait the greater tasks ahead of me, and he, the Lord Jesus, who took me through the years at CPS, will see to it that I accomplish that he proposed for me. Contrary to my initial thinking and to my beliefs, I'm convinced that I am replaceable at CPS. I believe that there's a better person out there for my position, just as I believe that I'm a better person wherever I'm going. It is sheer selfishness to hold on at CPS just for the sake of having a job to point at. Like the Lord, I can say it is expedient that I go, for I know CPS will become better as I also will become better by stepping up towards my ambitions, passions, and vision. We are never better by being stagnant. We actually become worse. And we were created with the ability to grow, to move forward, and to reproduce. Thus, we are expected, not only by our supervisors, but also by our Maker, to be productive. However, productivity comes best when we are flexible enough to embrace change. I wish the best of growth, productivity, and prosperity for CPS, its staff, management, and board. We will surely meet at the top. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I couldn't mention all the names, but you really played a very big role in my life, in my stay at CPS. Like I mentioned in the speech, I eventually ventured into politics, which was not something that came overnight. It took some time. I was vying for the Epworth Member of Parliament post. I didn't manage to land it during the primaries, but I had already set the course. So I'm building my career along those lines, as well as community development, which I had already started under the organization Sibamanika Friends Association, which we started in 2016. I don't know how to thank you, but I can only say God bless you. Thank you so much. I'll be around maybe in the next weeks or months just to wrap up and to assist in the transition. I cannot just vanish. I really love this place. So thank you so much. Thank you.